Well, this event came actually out of a very tragic event. We lost our cousin right on this street 1 week ago because of gun violence.
I'm feeling happy and proud for the support in the Lynn community. I know there's going to be justice for my son, and I want the gun violence to end in Lynn. I feel proud and happy and appreciated.
Give my condolences to Romel and your whole family and his mother and all of you, and let you know we all stand here together. We stand in support of against violence, against senseless gun violence, against hate, and we need, as a community, we need to come together. And I want to thank all of you as well for coming here to support the family in this terrible time. And I want Romel's mother to know, and all of you to know, that as the mayor of the city, but more importantly, all of us in this city are here to stand with you and to continue to say no hate, no violence in this community. And we're here to support you, and we're going to do that together.
We're gonna keep them alive by, stop the violence, no more guns. For what? If you don't have them, you don't use them, right? So let's keep it that way. Look at all the beautiful children running around feeling safe, eating ice cream, enjoying the pizza and everything that's going on. Let's keep it that way.
I forgive everyone that killed my son, and those friends of his that were in the same accident with him. It's something sad and tragic.
We're just trying to bring some positivity to the City of Lynn. There's some really great people out here, and if we really take the time to dedicate time for our community, we can really make I don't know, we can really just make a change.
We got to learn that violence is not good. It's nice seeing a good community united. It doesn't have to be about a death or violence.
Half of the proceeds from this event will go to a youth organization focused on keeping youth off of the streets, and hopefully no family has to live through this again, because it's painful.
We're gonna keep them alive by, stop the violence, no more guns. For what? If you don't have them, you don't use them, right?